This video is gonna be quick. I got this for $2. It's a wireless charger clock, material ABS. This is the dimension: input 5 volt, 1.5 amps, and outputs 1 amps. So I got this from the thrift store for $2, as I said, and it's a wireless charger and a clock. Here we have power button, up and down, and menu by the look of it. Micro USB input, and here we have a vent, maybe a buzzer or something. So let's turn it on and see if it's any good. 5 volt. And nothing is happening. Okay, we have display 819. I know what is this, Fahrenheit temperature. Looks like we have 3 alarms. 1, 2, 3. Is that a date? Yeah, probably. On SD. Not sure what is that. DP. Anyways, let's see if it's charged. So assume you just put the phone here, right? Nothing is happening. Okay, now it's charging. All right. Okay, put it this way, it doesn't charge. Only this way. Of course, it's gonna be a slow charger, but at least it does something. And the display goes off, so you have to keep pressing it. Not sure how to set it. Yeah, something happened. Okay, 2017. How to go back? (2017) setting 2024. Press the M. That's the month. It's July. That's correct. And today it's the 9th. Alarm 1. On, off, on. Let's see, keep it on. And alarm 2 on. 3 on. And how to set the alarm. Okay, this is the alarm, I believe. It's now 1:39. So let's make it 1. First, let's set this 24 hours, 12 hours, and it's we said it's 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock, and here we have PM and 40. time is set. Now let's set the alarm. So this is the alarm. Let's make it 41. Okay, let's wait for it. Yeah, it's boring. Anyways, let's take it apart and see what's inside. Ah, no screws. So where are the screws? There are no screws. I guess I need to heat up this and pull it out. Should I? It's very light, by the way. There's not much going on inside. I'm not gonna open it and break it, so I guess that's it. There's only one thing left. There's a film here that needs to be peeled. Beautiful. Thank you for watching.